At all costs!
Hate to be Debbie Downer, but I just have a bad feeling about that.
Oh my god, I don't want to think
Need
fell.
to get closer. I can't cast that yet.
If I had my tank set, I could.
I'm still recharging.
Don't forget to run bombs and like stack up.
Get those fellows popping! Spill.
Ushi, did you need me on that side?
No.
Target
Should be fine.
first.
I
Maybe
didn't think
you're
so.
Run bombs left side.
I'm still recharged.
Well, if you need me, call me over.
Beware. I will crush you! I can't cast that yet. Turn up the heat, boys! We'll sweat around! Ready. Beware. I can't cast that yet.
How's our progress looking?
It's faring okay. The important part is primal.
Ready yet.
Go get an interrupt on this engineer.
The machinery is damaged.
Upside down, that's good.
We're pushed.
I can't cast.
Take him to the gate.
Quick! Get it under control!
Charge. Beware.
We have it under control!
I was wrong.
I'm afraid.
Someone just ran a bomb next to me and almost died.
These ads dead.
I can't.
She's on fire collars, she's on the
Whatever you guys normally do.
fire collars. Get the
Get Felspar over to the primal.
Beware.
Get this slag on top of it. Leave them both. Alright, slag's dead, man. Get away from it.
full primal.
Train next one.
Beware. I can't cast that yet.
Pretty carbon.
That's still recharging.
Touch it, let me go.
4, 3,
Nah,
Can
you're
you?
gonna need another one.
Ready yet. Beware.
We have another one.
Yo, Gaia, get that slag over there.
Run to the first one, good.
I've got one more. Dispel the primal.
Beware.
Just healed 30% of its health. Someone needs to stay on this dispel.
That's not bad, I was in.
I can't cast that yet.
Get away from the slag.
Beware.
Finish off the primal elemental. Really far behind now, guys. We're gonna pick up.
Still recharging. Is ready yet. Beware. I need to target something.
Get this fire crawler down and get the slag on top of it. We just lost the slag for no reason. Dub, it's on you. You get the only one up.
I can't cast that yet.
Don't stand in the fire.
Beware.
4, 3, 2, 1.
A healing tide.
Ready yet. I can't cast that yet.
Alright. Right side spots here.
Beware. Still recharge.
Watch out, I fire up.
Keep crit.
Can't reach.
Crit's really low.
I got it.
Beware. I can't cast them.
Damn, we're behind on this too. You ready to touch death? We might make that.
Ready.
Get it?
I need a
Oh, that's at least fire. Get this flag on the next guy. There's a slag
I'm
that's
bringing
low.
slag
Please
over.
don't bleed. It's on you, guy.
I know.
Interrupt guy, slag that's low. Get it over there. Alright.
I can't cast them.
Finish these fire collars off. Get him on top of the slag. Alright, primal's broken. Everyone on the.
Beware. Ready.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Beware. Still recharge.
And I missed.
Spell is ready.
Watch out with that bolt player.
I can't cast.
5, 4,
Kill this slag right behind it. Interrupt the slag on me.
One.
Slow health. 20%. Alright, finish it off. Fuck. How do we get a security guard in here?
Affect elementals.
Finish that primal off.
I need to target something first.
Good job, healers. Let's get this next slag on last fire.
Need some help.
Primal. Need some.
5,
I was just saying I need some heals on me.
2, 1.
I have a slag on me.
Charge. I can't cast that yet. I'm still recharged.
Get on the prime. It's out. Go ahead and pop here.
I can't cast that yet.
Now burn this bitch down. We need to get out of this phase.
Ready. I can't.
Alright, kill these fire crawlers.
3,
Get in the
2,
corner.
1.
Fox would be great.
A small victory, but now you will perish in the flame that burns us up.
I'm to healing tide next block. I think we're too low.
Go ahead and do it now. Okay. These ads are gonna hurt. Finish these fire collars off. You should be on round out the box.
In fire.
Watch them
Don't
melt.
have a target.
Take the
Get
bomb.
these security guards.
Charge.
Alright, now you can get on the boss.
It's too far away.
If you're a healer and you're out of mana, I suggest you drink if you can before the melt gets everywhere.
Can't.
I can't cast that
Be fine though.
We have 2 holy pellets, so we should be able to keep things up pretty long.
yet. Ready.
I have Ascendance in 30 seconds.
I'm still recharged.
Move the boss a little
I
more.
can't use that fire.
Keep the tanks.
I can't cast. Beware. I'm still recharged. In fire.
staying in range of the healers, guys. Some of you are really far away.
Yeah, there's some people that are out of range. So move up.
Move the boss pretty fast. Start backpedaling at 20% constant.
I can't cast that yet. Fire.
Almost there, guys.